Yun, double lock. Saan mo papapasit na safe yan? Yun. Sige.
Double lock!
Paano yan? Paano yan?
Testing!
Yun!
What is the longest sentence?
Expresses a complete
What is the longest sentence in the world?
5 sentence.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Huh?
Can I sit here?
English. No, English. No English. No English. No
What
English.
country?
Country, you.
Philippines?
Philippine. No, Philippine. No,
You,
Philippine.
what country you?
Sa summer ako, ate.
Ate, may putok ka? Wala.
Kamoy nga.
Meron ito, oh! Ang taray, everlasting na yung pangalan ng putok mo.
Good morning. I'm here in front of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting.